Hi, I'm excited to introduce to you today to one of our new automotive reference designs. It's a power supply that delivers a robust and continuous 18-watt output power. It has the capability of delivering 36 watts output power for more than 1 minute. It has a planar transformer, is applicable for 800-volt systems, and it uses our InnoSwitch3-AQ. And this compact reference design, the DR1039Q, is intended for applications such as traction inverter, gate driver power supplies, and emergency power supplies. For emergency power supplies, reliability is always key. This design is engineered to handle peak power requirements when it matters the most, ensuring that during emergencies, the vehicle can safely maneuver off the road. And at the heart of this design, of course, our InnoSwitch3-AQ, with its InSOP T28 package. It sits, same as the transformer, directly across the isolation barrier. It features our own flux SNIC technology, a 1700-volt switch, and has reinforced isolation. It also has an ultra-wide input voltage range, high output voltage accuracy, and low no-load consumption. It gives multiple protection features and many more benefits and features to meet the demands of automotive environments. With all these features, you get a system that's engineered for reliability and top-tier performance. And what makes me really excited about this power supply, it's pretty simple. The design is very slim and cost-efficient. This board is designed with a planar transformer, and the benefits are substantial. In automotive, it's constantly desired to reduce the board height and save as much space as possible while maintaining or even increasing the complete power density level of the system. As you can see here, we have significantly reduced the height. It's very slim and the transformer is no longer a limiting factor. Taking a closer look at the PCB, the wires that were previously needed for a discrete transformer are now designed into the PCB itself. This has many benefits, and indeed, you can significantly reduce the overall cost of your system using a planar transformer compared with using a discrete transformer. Unlike with a discrete transformer, you don't need anymore to outsource its production. And with a planar transformer, you can now control the process from the very beginning all the way to the manufacturing. Now let's take a look at some startup waveforms. Does your design need to start up all the way down at 30 volts? Yes? Well, no problem. As you can see here, the output voltage is rising to its dedicated level if we apply the 30 volts input. But if this does not quite impress you, how about 1000 volts? Also for this, I have you covered. Again, as you can see here, if we apply the input voltage, the output is rising and you will see a similar waveform. But this time with a set voltage of 1000 volts. So either way, if you apply voltage as low as 30 volts or as high as 1000 volts, your startup profile will always look similar. So let's quickly summarize. Here I have an ultra-compact design that can support a very wide input voltage range with all the essential benefits that our InnoSwitch3-AQ provides to your automotive system. And the best part of it all, we are here to help. Whether you're an automotive innovator or an electronics enthusiast, this reference design is here to inspire your next project. Please contact your local Power Integrations FAE or sales office for an evaluation kit. And for more information on our InnoSwitch3-AQ, please visit power.com.